Hi, I'm Nick, the homeowner, and this is my ID from the 2B guys.
Hi, I'm Clarice.
After I bought this apartment, I started looking online for a suitable interior designer, and through the Home Reno Guru portal, I found Clarice from the 2B guys.
Thank you.
So after meeting several designers, I decided to go ahead with Clarice because I felt that she understood what I needed, was able to offer very good ideas, very responsive to all my queries, and also provided very reasonable quotations.
Yeah, thank you, Nick.
Welcome. So my brief to Clarice on the design was for something modern, contemporary, with clean lines and a darker color palette. So after several discussions with Clarice, we also decided to add splashes of colors such as like blue, yellow, and some brown as well. The renovation process was pretty smooth sailing as Clarice was very on the ball and on site very often. So little issues that are raised, she managed to resolve them very promptly. And despite little hiccups here and there, she was able to finish the project within schedule.
Thanks for your kind words, Nick.
In general, I love the whole house, but if I have to pick a favorite part, it would probably be the transparent display cabinet because I feel that it visually opens up the whole area and it allows me to display my toy collection and travel memorabilia. And it's often the topic of discussion when I have friends and family over. Another favorite part of the house is the smart home integration, where I'm able to control the lights and my appliances through the app and even through Google Home. I also love the colors in the house, especially the contrast between the blue and the feature wall. I also love the master bedroom as it is very cozy and Clarice was able to incorporate a lot of hidden storage as well.
As an interior designer, functionality and looks are equally important. For example, the study desk has a dual function. It has a hidden accessory cabinet as well.
For the common bedroom, we decided to go for a different feel.
The colors are very bright, light and soothing.
My advice to homeowners is to plan early and to meet up with several interior designers, as this will allow you to be able to compare quotations and to find a designer that you're comfortable with.
My advice to homeowner is to have a clear idea of what you want, but at the same time, be open to ideas from your interior designer. Nick is my ideal customer and I really enjoy renovate his home.
Thank you. I think Clarice did a fantastic job and I would definitely recommend her and the 2B guys. At the end of the day, I love the feeling of coming home.